Hello everyone, David Lewis here. And today I'm going to be very short as I want to share with you the 7 no-nos during a meet and greet. And I'm not going to explain them in detail, I'm just going to list them because I think all of them are self-explanatory. So, number 1 is eating in front of the customer. That's a no-no. Number 2 is drinking. Don't be sitting there with a cup of coffee and you keep taking a sip out of it or a soda. Number 3 is smoking. And I know most of us don't smoke anymore because our dealership environments are non-smoking. But even if you're outside, smoking in front of them does turn a lot of people off. Number 4 is chewing gum. To some people, chewing gum is a disgusting habit. Not to all, but to some. So let's not isolate those that do find it to be disturbing. Number 5 is chewing tobacco. Again, some people can be very turned off by having somebody with tobacco in their mouth, especially when they spit into a cup. Number 6 is the use of any profanity at all. Even if you know the customer, you again do not know what their religious beliefs are, their background. It might be something that insults them. And finally, rushing the customer. Never rush the customer, especially when they are talking. So please keep these 7 no-nos in mind while doing your meet and greet.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.